Da ni'n defnyddio syniad da am y town regeneration, arian town regeneration, ydy'r troi rhywbeth bywyd yn y wal yn y tref. But wouldn't it be so nice when we're walking to the co-op and walking to our office to pass something that's really living? And so we decided to grow up instead of out, because we've got all these pavements and roads. So we're going right up onto Stop Antur. We're going across the railings on the Dref Werdd, and we are just starting to plant up these beautiful recycled plastic plant boxes, and they're going to look stunning. Around the back we've got 370 plants to go in them. Doing really hapus to wneud project really bywyd iawn. Dwi'n really hapus i gwneud gwaith efo pobl arall, pobl yn y gymuned. Ac dwi'n really hapus efo sut mae wal yn edrych.